Hello everyone, welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So today, quickly have a look at a easy scenery of two hen and let's quickly start drawing it. Okay, so first we'll draw the grass and then we have to draw the first hen. What we'll draw? Inverted line, join it with the U. Let's draw the tail, feathers, the eyes, the beak, and you know what? The Quickly think of the name of the two hens, right? So in the scenery, the two hens are in a village. They are eating grains. So for the second hen, you have to repeat the same process. So usually hens are orange, yellow, red in color, but if you want, you can color it with your favorite colors. And you know what you need to do? You need to subscribe my channel because every week I come up with new content. So if you follow me, you can learn every week some new drawing, and I teach the easiest way to draw anything like the house, right? One triangle, two lines, and you can draw the door. If you want, you can add a rectangle in between and draw a window. So now we are drawing the tree, and after the tree we have to fill the rest of the part with grass, and then we'll draw the cloud and the sun. Picture is complete. So you need to like, share and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya for more such content.